What's up, YouTube? Welcome to the Coffee Pod. My name is Tisha Zed.
Drink the coffee, it'll make you feel better.
There are some women out there who you will never be that guy to. No more wasting time. Let's get it.
There are some women that you will never be that guy to.
That's a fact. That's a fact.
No matter what you do,
What you do.
you will never be that guy, and you'll try to force it, you'll try to make it work, but when you know and you've experienced a woman where you're that guy and she really admires you,
You know what it feels
you know what it feels like.
And respect.
And I think a lot of times for guys, especially because we might get caught up in a beauty component or whatever it is, we're trying to prove love that's not being reciprocated, right? And we're putting maximum effort, and then there's a guy on the other side who's putting minimum effort and getting maximum results.
Yes, for sure.
Right? Like, bro, you done took her out, you done flew with the Turks.
Good morning.
Bro.
The good morning.
All this, and there's a guy at 11:30 p.m.
Yeah.
What you doing?
Yep. You up?
Eyes. If men could really just realize that part, it would help them a lot. And they wouldn't gear towards relationships or women who aren't necessarily for them. And that's where I think the bitterness comes from men.
Yeah.
But in reality, it's like, bro, you should have seen the signs early. She wasn't reciprocating. She was calling you out your name.
Look how she talks to her family.
You can't feel bad, right? Because everybody's not for everybody. That's true. You have to learn and understand, like, okay, this is not it. Let me move on. Yeah. But some guys, they will stay in that situation trying to make it work. I would rather be the guy hitting up at 11 p.m. versus the guy trying to take on multiple dates, spending money, doing all these things, trying to impress her, and I'm getting nowhere and getting limited results.
All right, guys. So it's a really good conversation, man. And I think this can solve a lot of men's problems who are out here dating. The gentleman first started out saying there are some women out here who you just will never be that guy to. That's very true. That's very true. Who is that guy? That's her number one choice. Who is that guy? That's the guy who she wants to be with, right? And you may ask, well, how do you know if you're that guy to her? Plain and simple is you only want to invest in women who show you high interest. That's all that this comes down to, right? High interest. And that may be difficult to know what high interest looks like as a guy because there's this mating dance that men and women do where, it's like this cat and mouse dance where, women play just a little bit hard to get where they want to vet out the right type of man. She's got to make sure you're not some psychopath, etc. But how can you tell? High interest. So what does high interest look like? Well, I can tell you what it doesn't look like. It doesn't look like you asking a chick for a number and she gives you her LinkedIn account. Or whatever social media you want to plug in instead. She gives you her number. She's like, okay, fine. That's high interest. It doesn't look like you asking a woman when she's available and she say, I'll let you know, or we will see. Right? When you realize that you have to chase a woman, you know that that's not high interest. And sometimes it's maybe harder to spot, man. This could be a chick who always has time to text you saying, what's up? Hello. You're going back and forth. Everything's looking great. You're sending paragraphs, which you shouldn't be talking too much during text. But when it's time to set the date, something always comes up. Or for some guys, maybe they do set the date, but it always feels like you're initiating contact all the time. Like you're doing most of the work and you have more complaints than her matching your energy. A woman who has high interest would take meeting her, taking her out on a date. She's going to make that stress free. As I was going to check out some of these comments and see what the people have to say. First comment here says, my pops always told me, like the women that like you. Good advice. Life will be a lot easier. It's facts. Another comment here says, the art of knowing how to move on. This is very true. The sooner you can realize, man, when you're dealing with a chick who doesn't view you as that guy, then the quicker you can cut her off and replace her fast, not slow. Another comment here says, never, never, never chase women. Another person here added, never chase a woman. Find one that will walk with you. Another comment says, the blend on that fade is immaculate. Yeah, my dude had a nice blend right there. Another comment here added, if she likes you, don't have to apply pressure. You're going to have to apply a little bit of pressure for most women in the start. But the key element to tell the difference between a woman who has high interest versus low interest is her cooperation. Is she cooperative? If she's cooperative, then cool. But all that other shit of women rescheduling dates last minute, because something else that's more exciting came up, usually another dude who she would rather give those cheeks up to. Those are indicators of low interest. Another comment here says, keep it simple, ... like the woman that likes you. Somebody else responded back to that guy and says, I swear my dad, rest his soul, told me the same, with dudes, 100 emojis, like the man that likes you. Oh, okay. This is a woman. I was going to be like, major pause. Another comment says, you never enough for the wrong person. Somebody else here added, excellent video. I've been on both sides of this. When you're that guy, your presence is enough for her. You live and you learn. Another comment says, this is so true. This is from a woman, and rejection definitely happens to everyone. Athletes, wealthy men, etc. True, man. Half these rappers you guys look up to who you think, oh, they have money, they're paying for cat. Major transactions are being done via IG. Guys, as always, curious to know what you think. Leave your comments down below. I appreciate you for checking out yet another episode of the Coffee Pot. Till next time, I'm out. Peace.